It's fall, y'all, and time to refresh our porch. So the first thing that we're doing, which I love to do, is to sweep around my door. I take a few moments to move all the rugs, make sure that I get up all the debris. It's so much better now that that tree that was in the front yard is no longer there. It helps with not having a ton of leaf debris. This honestly is just debris from, that blows in from the road, or, just regular leaf, just regular road debris around the house. We have like bushes in the front, and so it's just debris from the mulch and that type of thing. So I do take great enjoyment taking time to sweep that off from the porch, just making it nice and clean. And I went to Harris Teeter. I got my Friday deals, and Harris Teeter had mums 2 for $12. I initially wanted to put in some wicker furniture out here in the front so that I could, read my Bible, drink coffee, that type of thing. When I realized, just looking on, Facebook Marketplace and those type of places for furniture, it was so expensive. And I just could not see myself paying those prices. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to sweep off. And then the Holy Spirit was like, you have furniture in the back. So, use what you already have. So I, just thought, hey, I'm going to use the furniture that I have. Here's some quarter round that we had from the floor project that was still on the porch. It was just unused quarter round. So I still haven't used it yet, but I still have 3 more rooms to get flooring in. So, we'll use it, I'm sure, eventually. Here are my glasses that I got from Kufsu. These are my shades. I had driven home and the sun was bright. And because they're prescription glasses, I just forgot to take them off because I could see. Of course, this is late in the afternoon, and it just worked out for me to be able to keep those glasses on while I was outside working and the sun was shining. But I was happy to have those glasses that I was able to continue working and able to see even though the sun was shining. Here I am looking for my children who are supposed to be bringing the furniture around to the front of the porch, and they're taking their slow and sweet time. Please, please, please ignore my blinds. Every time I buy new blinds, the dogs break the blinds. I don't know how many I've purchased. They seem to just continue to break them. So I've given up purchasing blinds. Here I'm just really trying to get some of the dirt and debris from around the windows. This is just from being, regular wear from the year. And we brought around the red wired metal chairs that we had in the back. I, again, initially wanted some wicker furniture out there, like the dark brown wicker, because I thought it would be a nice contrast against the beige colored siding. But this red actually popped on the porch. And so sister brought around a couple of the chairs. And then Jackson was getting the trash can rolled back because it's trash day. And here I am just wiping off this. This blue table was in the back. And so we brought it around. And Jackson took away one of the chairs that was broken. One of the feet was broken. So I just made him take that one back. But we are getting a new piece. A friend of mine messaged me on Facebook and said she had another piece that we could have. And I'm just, again, putting pillows there. I bought 4 mums. And so we are taking those mums and just spreading them out over the porch. I have 2 by the front door, 1 between the 2 chairs, and then 1 over to the side. And so, again, I've got some pillows that we had in the backyard. And we're just repurposing. It was a way to repurpose what we already had while we were, trying to just refresh the front porch. Not spending money because we're not in that, time where we're, trying to spend a whole lot of money. We're not going to be out in this area a whole lot. I would like to be able to have coffee and sit out here, but I didn't want to spend a lot. And so there it is, our front porch.